Hey guys, it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. We are here in my test kitchen, and do I have a treat for you? I have my good friend Katie Byrne here, and she is going to share some amazing things with you. So, without further ado, let's welcome her to show you something awesome.
Hi guys, Katie here from Beltway Balloons, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a little Oddish headband. We're going to start with the 6-petal flower, which is the base that I use for all of my headbands. For Oddish, we're going to start with 2 little feet, and we're just going to make a little loop twist. You're going to push the nozzle through to make sure that you lock it, and it's just about 2.5 fingers. We're going to do 2 of those. We're going to make the other 4 petals with lilac. Same thing, same size. Push the nozzle through to lock it. Get rid of what you don't need. And then we're going to smush these 2 together. This creates the base for our headband, and it also creates our Oddish's 2 little feet. So this one I'm going to go ahead and cut off because we're going to use this to wrap it around the headband when we're done. Go ahead and wrap it around a couple times, just to make sure none of the air escapes. Now we're going to take a 6-inch, this is tropical teal, you could also use robin's egg if you wanted to, but Oddish is pretty much this color. And we're going to stick it on top of our 6-petal flower. Wrap it in a couple times, and now it's secure. To make his little leaf things, we're just going to make little leaves. Same thing, you're going to start with a loop twist. Pull the knot through to secure it. Make another one this size. Make 2 more that are slightly larger. You can see the difference. It's not that important how much bigger it is, but it just makes it look more like Oddish. We're going to do a total of 5. The 5th one is going to be the biggest one. Wrap it around. Get rid of your excess. Wrap it around. Then you're going to get your leaves into ascending size. So we'll start with our small ones down here, followed by our slightly larger ones, followed by our largest one, and then we're going to use the little tail of the quick link to wrap it in. Sort of adjust your little leaves so they're sitting on top of his little head. And then the artwork for Oddish is super simple. He has red eyes, so you can just draw 2 little red circles. We're going to use black. And then just a little smile. And there you have your Oddish. But we're going to take it one step further and wrap him on a headband. Now when I'm using the 1/4-inch headbands, I stick my thumb on the bottom, and then I pull the latex, the extra latex over it, and wrap it like that, and that way when you take your thumb out, this will sit really nicely. So then you've made yourself a fabulous little balloon Oddish that you can put on a headband. It also makes a really great wristband. If you like what you see, please subscribe to Sandy's channel and give us a like. I'm Katie with Beltway Balloons. Go forth and balloonify.